Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of April. I'm so excited to show you guys all the goodies I received. So let's just get right into the video. The first item I have are these beauty sponges from Hank and Henry. These beauty sponges come in two different sizes. They come in a full size and a mini. And I'm so excited to try these out for you guys. They are so soft. And I am going to film an entire review on these makeup sponges. As you guys know, I am a brush gal, but I am willing to try out anything really beauty related. So I will give you guys my honest opinion about these. The next thing I have with me is this Elemis Superfood Calm Cleansing Foam. This is a calming micellar cleanser, and this micellar cleanser is used to gently cleanse away dirt and grime from your entire face and leave your face calm and fresh. I'm so excited to incorporate this, so please stay tuned. The next thing I have is the Illuminati gel paint pencils in the electric blue color and the electric pink color. As you guys can tell, these guys are so vibrant. I'm so excited to try these out, and I will show you guys what type of look I come up with. So we will see how well these work. The next thing I have are these lavish 5-count brushes. I will be giving these away, but they are so cute, aren't they? They come in 5 different colors, and I just think they're adorable. The last thing is this Professional. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this primer. I cannot get enough of it. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching.